Welcome back to the second part of the RCA Premier Atlas tablets, part 2. Today we will be looking into some of the ports. The HDMI port. This right here is the HDMI port. And we're going to be hooking it up to my TV. The HDMI port is a HDMI mini. There's two of them out there, and one is the micro, and the other one is mini. This is the small mini cable. I got this at Best Buy for, and we're gonna go to different stores to get the cable. Go ahead and plug it into the slot, and then I'll be right back. This plugged in, HDMI cable plugged in. You can see it's off my tablet, and then onto my TV. See, this is my TV. And this is my tablet. So yes, you can use a mini HDMI cable to run from your tablet, which is a Atlas Premier tablet, to the TV. So I'm going to YouTube on my tablet. YouTube, my library. One second. And then my videos. And you see, it's right there on TV. That was my one I recorded the other day, a couple weeks ago. This is a 10-inch screen, 4 core processor, off the TV. 16 gigabyte storage, IPS touchscreen, 1280 by 800, as well as a dual camera, up to 6 hours battery life, and the key point is up to 6 hours. Could be anywhere between 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 hours. This is depending on your settings and also what you do with your tablet. I do have coming off the TV. It does come with the Google 7.0, which is now this is my tablet, and you do have in Google Play. TV. My tablet, I personalized it to the way I want it. Took some stuff off the old tablet and had it backed up, and then transferred to this tablet. So it's set up to the way I like it. So I had no problems with the setup. But now I'm going to go to the. Again, this is the TV. This is the tablet. Same, using the HDMI cable. So, have a good day. Leave questions and comments. And if you want to like this page, go ahead and like it. Go ahead and subscribe to it. And many more features of this tablet to come. And see y'all later.